Have you ever seen an option premium double during the day and thought, if only I had entered at the right spot, at the right time, in the right direction, it would be great opportunity to capture the premium double. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, Reversal Point, pick the right spot. Nifty moves in three directions. It can go up, down, or just stay sideways. But option premiums, they don't have that luxury. They only move in two directions. They either shoot up, or they vanish. And when expiry is just around the corner, even a small move in Nifty can create a big shift in premiums. That's why, for option buyers, it's never about predicting the market. It's about spotting the right zone, at the right time, before the premium takes off. Here, I'm about to provide you the premium zones, which is also the future order block zones at both lower level and higher level. These order block levels may act as reversal zones or breakout zones, which can be identified easily. If the premium reaches the lower order block levels and starts reversing, then there is high probability that the premium will reach the upper order block levels. If there is a breakout on the lower levels, then the premium will start melting fast to half of its value or even more. Now, coming to the upper order block, whenever the premium reaches these levels and reverses, then there is high probability that the premium will decay towards the lower order block levels. Suppose, if there is a breakout happened on the higher side, then definitely a big move is expected. These all depends on where the premium price opens at the start of the day. Let's see how market respected our levels yesterday. And, actually I'm sorry that I forgot to mention the future order blocks for 24,900. It has the same levels as like, but I have shared for 2500 and 25,000. Here, you can see that the premium respected our lower order block levels and took support around that area, and after a while, it shot up towards the upper order block levels and went even further towards doubling the premium. Anyhow, since I didn't mention the 24,900 levels in the video, this one didn't count for today. Now let's see the Nifty range for the expiry day of the 29th of May. It is expected that Nifty to trade between the upper and lower levels as shown here. If there is any breakout on any direction, then definitely we can see a sharp move continuing on that direction. These are my analysis levels, just for educational purposes only. Now let's see the future order block levels for the option premiums for the expiry day of the 29th of May. The levels for 24,600 and 24,900 are shown here. After market hours, let's see if the market has respected our levels. Now, the levels for 24,700 and 24,800 is shown here. This applies for both call and put options. Consider only the ATM strike price once the market opens.